Yes, another day to try again. So on the daily time frame, what do we see? I'm seeing price, kind of retested this imbalance yesterday and today, you know, and I also can see we are in this new weekly, new week opening gap. So it's highly notable. And currently we traded above previous daily high. Previous daily high was swept, and it was a kind of SMT because I don't think the previous daily high on ES was not really swept, but for sure making new all-time highs, new all-time highs, and the YM, that's the US 30. So with this in mind, what do I want to do? With this in mind, what do I want to do? So currently I'm seeing this 4 hour, 4 hour. Um, our previous 4 hour high. Um, on the 1 hour, what are we seeing? On the 1 hour, just the same thing. Currently have a bit of SMT on the 1 hour. So let's see. So right now my eyes is kind of drawn to these lows. I mean, give me a minute. So this is a previous 4 hour imbalance. So my eyes are drawn to here. So this is where my eyes are drawn to, and I can see how price before taking this high there was engineered liquidity, and I hope this my price is accurate because this is a CFD, not features chart. So I just hope it's accurate. So if it's accurate, I can see this breaker. So let's see how price uh currently currently we do have an SMT. So I'm just gonna wait for 10 a.m. because we do have SMT. I'm just gonna wait for 10 a.m. But it doesn't mean price can go down. Price can definitely go down, but I'm not gonna be participating for now. What do I see? I'm seeing this imbalance over here. So this could be gray because I'm not trading for that right now. So I'm just gonna wait until 3. So now I know the day has really moved. Like the day has really moved so much, you know, so much. Look at that, almost 1,000 pips. So the day has really moved. I'm not looking to buy actually. I want to sell. I'm gonna wait until I'm gonna wait for the next 1 hour candle. Let me see. Let me see how this one closes. I'm gonna wait. And I'm okay if I don't get a trade today. I'm gonna be okay if I don't get a trade. So I'm looking to sell the markets. I'm not interested in buying. And I'm gonna wait for the next 1 hour to open. So with that being said, the market can actually do whatever it wants to do. It can even go down, right? Go down from here. If the market goes down from here before the 1 hour opens, that will be it for me today. I won't do any other. I can just close my charts. But I want to sell, and I'm gonna wait for the next 1 hour to open. So what I want to see right now, I'd like to see price kind of consolidate here between these two PDRAs, kind of consolidate and consolidate here. Then next 1 hour open, preferably trace above this high, then I'll be looking to sell, looking to sell. If it can even come to this new weekly opening out, man, it will be a very big sell for me. That's by the open of the next 1 hour candle. So yeah, let's see. Let me just put an alert here, and yeah, just watch, just watch and see. Oh man, this tea, I don't understand, man. I don't understand this tea. So it's always very advisable when you see two SMTs at the highs and lows, man. It's very better for you to stay out. So by the way, this isn't content like trying to create a content or something like that. This is me just recording my trade, you know, live. So I'm not trying to create content or anything like that. Hey, I need to increase this. Yeah, so the market is dropping. I want to sell, but I'm not going to sell here. Currently, I'm doing nothing. I'm not in a trade. I'm not in a trade right now. Just waiting for the next 1 hour candle to open. But this could go down, which would be good. But I'm not interested. There's a lot of sell side. So this is the previous 90-minute cycle low. So these lows are very good to me. I love the structure. This would be something I would target if I was selling from the high. So I'm confident holding a trade from here, like anywhere from the premium. I'll be confident holding that trade coming all the way down because of this low. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So like I was saying, market has really gone down today. Today's price, today's price action. 1,000 over 1,000 pips in the morning. So what does that mean? Well, it means that if we're going to take a trade, we have to be in and out very quickly. We don't have to hold for too long. So that's what it means to me. I'm going to take a trade. I'm going to do it very quickly, in and out. So I still haven't done anything. I'm not doing anything now. I'm not in a trade yet. Mm, not in a trade yet. So that rejection must be random. So you wanna see price, use this as a support to continue going up. So we're patiently waiting, waiting for 3 p.m. to open. Watch how price is reacting from that level. So right now, price just touched this breaker here. I mean, this could be a valid short, but I just have to wait till the next 1 hour candle opens. So I will see how it opens. If it opens and gives me a high, like open high, then I'd like to short the market. Well, for now, I'm not doing anything. Am I drawing? No. So nothing yet. And mind you, this session can actually consolidate because I believe the higher time frame drawn liquidities have been reached. So if we should ever take a trade in this current condition, it has to be really, really strict and technically aligned. So we just have to be conscious and aware of that. So the next 1 hour candle opens in about 4.5 minutes, 3.5 minutes. All right, so the next 1 hour candle opens in 30 seconds. So let's see. All right, there we go. So I'm not interested in buying. I want to sell the market, but ideally, I'd like to sell it above here, above this price level. So how price trades below this previous cycle low is gonna be telling. If it trades below that low and displaces, I might take a shot from there, targeting this low here and here. I mean, it's pretty decent, you know. This is about 80, it's about 200, so I think it's pretty decent. So let's see how until price displaces below here. If it displaces below here and then I see some signatures, I'm gonna go for a short. If not, I'm not doing anything. I'm just watching price. Something that I can actually see right now. Remember this imbalance we kind of annotated before. Price ejected from it and then traded above it into our breaker block and then splits it again through it, rejecting. These candles are just rejection candles on the 1 minute. Look at that, the bodies are closing uh the lower half, below the lower half, So trace below, come back, retest this, and then went lower, taking out this previous cycle low. I mean, that was cool, but that wasn't what I was looking for, what I'm looking for, what I was anticipating to see. So I don't know, just have to wait. Um, just have to wait. So right now, price just swept below the previous cycle low. So let's see how we trade below that. So this was a potential sell over here. Potential sell with your stop here. Uh, said I was gonna sell. So I'm just gonna sell like 10. So, yeah, then I'm gonna put my stop loss. Yeah. The risk to reward is not really that perfect, and my entry was a bit late. So the reason I sold this market, remember when price was around here, I said I wasn't going to sell until it gets up here. I was going to sell maybe above here, but as price develops, we adapt with price and we just flow with price. So I wanted to make sure like price is really trying to go down, for me to sell. So I think I should add more, maybe add more here, then reduce the stop down here. So trading from the previous cycle low, you see how price consolidated here, time distortion and then rolled over. When it rolled over, displaces a little bit, then retracement I entered. I'm gonna be taking off 5 here. So delete 5 or 10. Mm, okay, I'm gonna be taking off 10. So buy limit here, 10. So I didn't realize my main mic died. I've been talking to myself all this while. So I'm saying ideally so we just have to go with this mic. It's not the best, but just have to go with it. So I was saying that ideally I would like to see price stay below this previous cycle low for our idea to still be valid. If not, I want to get out of the trade, you know. So for us to still be in the trade, I want price to stay below this previous cycle low. So let's see how price trades around there. Though I'm liking this build up here, you know. So this is to me this is liquidity that's gonna be targeted in the future. Yeah, go ahead, take the stop. Go ahead, take the stop. So right now, price is currently respecting this imbalance. It might go up from there, take our stop, and that will be perfect. That will be okay. If not, I want to see it displaced below this imbalance. Displace it with speed. You know, I haven't moved my stop yet. Stop is still where it is. So ideally, I want to see price begin to roll over if we are actually in a market maker sell model. I might just take off 5 if it comes down here. Take off 5. 5, not 6. What are you doing? And it's 1. So remember what I said earlier. I mean, today has really gone so far, like during the AM session. So this PM session. All right, that's it. We are done for today. So like I was saying, today the morning session was really volatile. Like we got almost um, 1,000 pips. You know, hence the reason this evening session has been kind of choppy. So yeah, so that's it. Our stop loss got hit, and what else can we do? Should we take more trades? I don't think so. I think that should be it for today. That's it for today. Price can keep going up, or go down from here, which is likely. But I'm not taking more trades. No, no more trades. No more trades. Done for the day. So let's just watch. watch and see what happens. Either price is gonna keep respecting the previous cycle low and then take out this low. That would be ideal. What I would like to see. So pay attention to this gray zone, how price keeps respecting it. But once we get a close below, if we get a close below here, then I should be certain that price is going lower. Yeah, there we go. There we go. So the next liquidity zone is around here. Pay attention to how price kept respecting our previous cycle low. I think our stop was a bit. We moved our stop a bit earlier. You know, if our stop was still here, we would still be in the trade, but it's okay. What are the executions? So, yeah. I still have high confidence that price will come down here to this low. I strongly believe that price will come down here before market closes in what, under 30 minutes. So pay attention to the lows. I said if price should go below here, I'm looking for it to continue going lower with speed. And so far it's rejecting that low. You know, I'm not feeling so good right now because just took my stop and then going going in my direction. I mean our anticipated direction. But it's okay. That's trading for you. It's okay. I'm not mad. I'm not gonna re-enter. Nothing like that. I'm okay being taken out. So, but I want to divert your attention to the uh, to price. Pay attention to how it kept respecting the previous cycle low. You know, kept respecting it. And another thing to highlight is right now is not actually like currently. It's not actually the a right like a good environment. This is a high liquidity run environment. Why? Because price already moved in the morning session. So price might still deliver to this liquidity pools, but it's gonna be slowly. Let's just see. I'm gonna close the. I'm gonna stop recording once price. If price should close above here. I'm gonna end the recording. But once price is still below here, anticipate that it's coming down here to this low and this low. Once this lows and this low are taken, then I'm out. I'm gonna end the stream. So just see. Currently we have SMT, ES and LY currently trading below this low. So ideally I want to see price. I want to see price, go down here, take out this low and this low. And that will be it for today. I don't know if my voice changed. I don't know if my voice is still the same. I mean, coming from the fact that price took me out and then going in my direction. I don't know if my voice changed, but it is what it is. It's trading, and I'm okay. I'm okay with price taking me out and going in my direction. I've seen that lots of times, so it's okay. So pay attention to how price kept respecting our previous cycle low. You see that? You see the precision. Just tapped into it and then moving lower. It's not random. It's never random. Just look at that. Tapped into it and it's moving lower. So we would have still been in this trade if we didn't move our stop earlier. So right now the first TP just got hit, you know, and I'm still anticipating this low to be hit. This low here, because we still have time before market closes. But it doesn't have to do that though. It doesn't have to do that today. So let's just keep watching and keep watching, keep watching, keep watching, keep watching. If I was still in this trade, I would take something off from here. Take something off. So before I said I was going to take off five contracts. But I would have taken out like 10. You know, I mean, considering the environment that we are in, so taking off like five, five here, five here. I'll be left with 10. Take like five in the middle before coming down here. So pay attention to how price is respecting our levels. So price before coming to this liquidity zone, to this level, it went up, created this engineered this liquidity. This is all engineered liquidity. Then it came back to our previous cycle low, tapped into it and then moved lower, take out this liquidity, and then retrace back to this our gray zone, tapped into it just with a wick. You see that? Tapped into it with a wick and then it's moving lower. And I think this market is done for today. Yeah, I'm not surprised by the consolidation actually. I'm not surprised because I anticipated the consolidation. So it's okay. I think we'll call it a day here. You know, market is almost over, so it might just keep consolidating, till the market closes. So It's okay. Um, so yeah, that'll be it for today. I'll keep these levels. I'll have these levels on my chart, and then we'll see how price reacts. But I believe it's still valid until like once once it hasn't traded above here. Like once price is below this previous cycle low, I think the setup is still valid. You know, it can only be invalidated once it's above. So for now, I think that'll be it. So I'll catch you all tomorrow, and then we'll see how it goes. All right, peace.